In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a song in Udio AI. Now to do this, first you want to go to the official website, you want to create an account or sign into your account if you have one already, and then from here you'll see your dashboard. Now inside your dashboard, you want to get started by clicking on this create button over here on the left, should be the second button just below the home tab, and then from here you can go and start creating your songs. Now it's actually super simple. As you can see, there's just a few steps. So we're going to just describe a song, but of course you could also use a style if you want to. I'm going to skip this and I'm going to just find, of course, my own rhythm with this song over here. So I'm going to tap in here and I'm going to start by actually doing something random. So I'm going to click on over here and I'm going to click on the randomize prompt. Of course, you can type in whatever you want. As you can see, there's going to be like some samples in here you can have. I'm just going to click on a randomize prompt and there we go. It's going to make a sweet song about a sour apple, melancholic, and then bittersweet as well, okay? Now, if you have any audio, which could be like some sample audio or something simple, you could go and upload this, or you could reset it if you are, of course, not happy with what happened, okay? Over here, you can reset it and then just re-roll again, and as you can see, this one is going to be like a new one over here. I'm just going to leave it like it is. Then if you want to enable voice control over here, you'll have to upgrade. So it's only available for paid subscribers right now. But of course, this is going to give you some voice control as well. If you go over here, you can take control of your vocals. You can basically select which vocals you want to use, which voices, etc. Then here you have a few options of writing your lyrics. You could go with auto-generated, which means it's going to automatically generate lyrics for you. So based on whatever you described over here, it's going to make up some lyrics and turn those lyrics into a song. You could go custom, which means you could go and write your own lyrics, or you could go and basically type in your topic here, so what the song is about, and you can make it write the lyrics for you as well, which is also quite cool. So here it says you have to write your own lyrics, about 6 lines for every 30 seconds works best, okay? So make sure you listen to this, type it in, and you are good to go. You're gonna have your own lyrics. But then we have the third option over here, which is instrumental. So when it comes to instrumental here, of course you don't need lyrics, it's just going to be instrumentals in the back. I'm just gonna stick with auto-generated for now. Then you have to, of course, click on here, add a folder. You can add it to your library, or you can add a new folder if you're creating like playlists or something similar. And then from here it says advanced controls. You could go and enable manual mode over here, which is going to allow you to, as it says over here, from the model without any prompt rewriting, okay? But if not, you can just go and select your model over here. You can have custom length or 2 minutes and 10 seconds, which is legacy. And then here you can, of course, change BPM. Some of these features are going to be paid, so not all of them are going to be accessible with your free version. So if you're on a free version, these can't be used. But of course, if you're on the paid version, you can use these. Go ahead, of course, use the features that you have on your paid plan. Then here you can change the song length, so you can go and change however long you want it to be. I'm just going to leave it as 210, which was actually legacy over here. And you can go and, of course, change the song structure as well, so we can clip timing over here as well if you want to. Up to you over here, and if we hover over this, it's going to explain exactly what this is going to do, okay? Now here you have style reduction. Over here you can go ahead and type in your genres or styles or concepts to avoid. Again, this also is going to be of course a premium feature. And then you have your prompt strength. This is basically how close it's going to basically listen to you, so how much the content of course influences the song over here. You have lyric strength over here as well, and then you have generation and seed as well. If you want to play with this, that's going to be a bit more advanced. And if you just want a simple song and it's your first song, you shouldn't really worry about this. So when you're done, click on this create button over here. It's going to take some credits off your account. As you can see, it's taken a few credits, and then over here it's going to start generating your songs, okay? Now, of course, it's going to take a few seconds, up to a few minutes for it to do it. I'm not going to play this for you because, of course, of copyright reasons, but you can, of course, play this to yourself, and you'll be able to hear what these songs sound like. So that's how to create a song in Udio AI. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.